Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear my students in grade 9, in this recorded video, we will complete lesson 4 from Unit 18, the last unit in our curriculum this year, from New Hello book. This is a reading lesson. It's about the Red Sea and the creatures or sea creatures that are living in that famous sea. The Red Sea is one of the warmest seas in the world. For this reason, hundreds of fish and animals live there. In fact, if we didn't have the Red Sea, the world would have 20% fewer kinds of fish. One of the special kinds of fish that live in the Red Sea is the sailfish. This is the fastest fish in the world. It can jump out of the water at 110 kilometers. Stingrays also live in the Red Sea. They live in groups of 5 or 6 and usually stay in the bottom of the sea. They like it there because other fish can't see them. There are also more than 40 kinds of sharks. Some of these are up to 3 meters long, but not all of them are dangerous. You may be surprised to know that some coral can be more dangerous. Divers need to be careful of fire coral. It is called this because if you touch it, it will burn you. Larger animals also live in the Red Sea. Green turtles grow to about 1.5 meters long and live for 23 years or more. If they are in water, they can swim at about 55 kilometers an hour, but they are also very slow when they walk on beaches. They usually visit beaches every 2 or 4 years when they are ready to lay eggs. A mother turtle can lay up to 200 eggs in the sand. This is the text, and now we will see and answer the question. Complete the sentences. If we didn't have the Red Sea, the world, of course, if we look here, the answer, we didn't have the Red Sea. If we didn't have the Red Sea, the world would have 20% fewer kinds of fish. Okay, this is the answer for question 1. If you touch fire coral, of course, it will burn you. It will burn you. Okay. If green turtles are in water, they can swim at about 55 kilometers an hour. So look at the answers. Number 1, if we didn't have the Red Sea, the world would have 20% fewer kinds of fish. If you touch fire coral, it will burn you. If green turtles are in the water, they can swim at about 55 kilometers an hour. Okay, the second part, questions, WH questions. Answer the following questions. Why do some birds and animals live in the Red Sea? As you have seen, if you have concentrated while you are reading the text, you will discover that the answer, because it's one of the warmest seas all over the world. Why do stingrays usually stay at the bottom of the sea? Because they can hide, they can't be seen from other sea creatures. How big are some sharks in the Red Sea? They can reach to 3.5 meters. The last, why and when do green turtles visit beaches every 2 to 4 years? Let's look at the answers. Yes. Why do some many birds and animals live in the Red Sea? Because it is one of the warmest seas in the world. Why do stingrays usually stay at the bottom of the sea? Because other fish can't see them. How big are some sharks in the Red Sea? They are 3 meters long. Why and when do green turtles visit beaches? They visit beaches every 2 to 4 years to lay eggs. This is the first part. Now we will go to the last part of that unit, review. Yes, here, student book, page 50. Yes, now you can talk about sea life. Complete the sentences. We will use these words in the box: coral, instructor, stingray, wreck. You have to know the meaning of these words before you put them in the right place. The big flat fish is a stingray. We did not know where to live before the instructors helped us. Before the instructors helped us. When they were diving, they saw wreck and the uh, they saw coral first and the wreck of an old boat. So the answers here: instructors, coral, and wreck. Good. Now to the second part of the review. Use first, second, and third conditionals. According to the first part, we can decide which part we will choose: first, second, or third conditionals. If the weather is good today, this is first part is in the present simple, so this is conditional if type 1. Of course, the second part will be future or will plus infinitive, so we will go snorkeling. If Amr had visited his cousins in Australia last year, if Amr had visited, this is past perfect, so the second part or the main clause should be could, would, have plus past participle. So he would have visited Sydney. If you fell off that wall, you would hurt yourself. Of course, we can use in the first part, the first conditional, we can use would or might plus infinitive. If Sarah wins the race, of course, this is something that is expected to happen in the future, so we can use will plus infinitive. So she will be very happy. Let's check the answers. Yes. Here, the first one, he would have visited. The second part, you would hurt or you might hurt yourself. The third one or the fourth one, if Sarah wins the race, of course, she will be very happy. Good. Now to the last part of our review. Show relief or excitement. Complete the dialogue. We will use these words to fill in the gaps: great, few, relief, and wait. First one, mother, we are not going shopping today. You, I don't like shopping. We are going swimming this afternoon. I can't wait. Ali fell off a wall, but he isn't hurt. What a great. Teacher, you've all passed your speaking tests. I am very happy. Great. I am very happy to hear. Ali fell off, so what a relief here, what a relief. Ali fell off, but he didn't hear, but he isn't hurt. What a relief. You've passed your speaking test. Great. Okay, so here, the first one, I can't wait. What a relief. And the fourth one, great. Let's check the answers. Yes, wait, relief, great. Good. Writing skills. When we take notes, we don't write full sentences. We write the important words only. Mariam went to the doctor at 10 o'clock in the evening. Mariam, doctor, 10 a.m. If it is calm on Saturday, we could go diving near the island. If calm, Saturday, diving near. And this is the language or these abbreviations are usually used by journalists and reporters when they are recording or when they are writing notes about what they are listening from a president or a minister in a while they are talking in to journalists. That's all what we can say about this unit. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood all the items of this unit. Thank you very much. Mahmoud Helmi was with you from Al Andalus School. Thank you very much. Till we meet again in another session. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Thank you.